Arriving at base camp, delivered a great sense of accomplishment, I think, for myself and definitely for the rest of my teammates.
I was happy to see the 2015 team reach something that they have probably been thinking about on and off for the past 3 years.
There was a thunderstorm last night, a thunder snowstorm. Now we're going downhill and all this snow that fell.
Although the original itinerary calls for 3 grueling days down to Lukla, after 2 hard days, the team got together to see base camp from a whole different perspective.
We decided to take helicopters to get us from Namche back to Lukla as opposed to trekking out. It was an amazing experience for the team to really cap off the week of trekking, and also for us with the Dream Mountains Foundation to cap off over a decade of treks.
I have a major fear of flying, so we hit turbulence. I panicked, but you're flying through mountains surrounded by white peaks with a view of Everest Base Camp.